Children, welcome to the class. In this video, we will continue the chapter Crop Production and Management, and we will discuss about the fifth step in agricultural farming, that is protection from weeds. When we grow a food crop in the field, addition to the crop plants, many unwanted plants also germinates and grow in the field naturally. So, the unwanted plants which grow along with a cultivated crop are called weeds. The growth of weeds in the field is not good for crops because they consume lots of fertilizer or manure, water, sunlight, and space and reduce the yield of crops. Look at this picture. The red color is weed plant and the green color one is the crop plant, and their roots are collide each other. So the weed plant is not allowing the crop plant to grow properly, and they are sharing the nutrients. Not only nutrients, they are sharing the space, sunlight, water. So the crop plant cannot grow properly and it will not give the expected yield. So farmers will not get the proper yield from the field. Now you just imagine the crop plant is alone in the field and weeds are not there. So all the nutrients will be taken by the crop plant and it will grow healthy. So the farmers will get the yield in a correct amount. Since the presence of weeds in the field will reduce the crop yield, therefore it is necessary to remove the weeds from the field time to time. The process of removing weeds or the process of removing unwanted plants from a crop field is called weeding. Weeding is necessary because weeds compete with the crop plants for water, nutrients, light, and space, and hence affect the growth of the crop. The best time for the removal of weeds is before they produce flowers and seeds. Now the question arises, how can we get rid of weeds? There are various methods of weeding, which are removal of weeds by pulling them out with hand. Weeds can be removed from the crop field, as you can see in this picture. Removal of weeds by using a trowel. Weeding can also be done by using a implement called trowel, or in Hindi we can call it as kurpa. A trowel is shown in the figure. Seed drill is also used to uproot the more number of weeds. In large area, we can depend on seed drills. Do you remember seed drills? Which is used to sow the seeds at equal distance and proper depth, ensuring that seeds get covered with soil and protect from being eaten by birds. The seed drills can be used to remove the weeds. Look at this seed drill. It is not only sowing the seeds but also removing the weeds. Here we can save the time and reduce the number of laborers. Now let's revise today's class. Weeds are the unwanted plants that grow along with the cultivated plants. The process of removing the weeds from the crop field is called weeding. Weeding can be done either manually or by using trowel or seed drill or by spraying weedicides.